me young older, if I want to date a young boy, my blood clot business.
Man, them on the corner used to say, yo, watch I eat that girl, you're sitting here, you know. So me I say, bet you know.
Keep them man there. I'm say, bad man, how you do that?
Shauna Crutches mash up Italian career, make Italian homeless. Dep on TikTok, yeah, I wear wig, undress, and turn Batman and I wind up himself.
You can't stand, remember, say I'm me, so I love man like dog. I'm me, I love man like dog.
Me nah go back in the 2024, me say got that talk to you, never by road. I say when you see the lad who left him alone.
When I was younger, I date older man. And when time me young older, if I want to date a young boy, my blood clot business.
Chin and look at a date. A lot of people say Shauna Chin need love. Nothing no wrong with that. But one thing, Shauna Chin ain't looking for love. Shauna Chin look for attention or hype. Every man with Shauna Chin date or talk to are people who have status or clout. Look what she do to Gully Bop. Yeah? Mash up Gully Bop career and put Gully Bop 6 foot under. I would not try to talk bad about her, I would just talk our history and the truth. Shauna Crutches Gully Bop. Yeah? Shauna Crutches mash up Italian career, make Italian homeless. Dep on TikTok, yeah, I wear wig, undress, and turn Batman and I wind up himself. The donor message Shauna Chin. Yeah, him never bang it, him career slightly fall off. Yeah? Look on Vybz Kartel show the other night. Look at him, get the chance of a lifetime to perform. And him couldn't remember the words of my song. Because him there backstage I rub up on Shauna. That a one sign I try show you. Shorty say she don't want that old dinosaur to talk to her son. Because Shorty knows that Shauna have the destroyed career crutches. Yeah? Kartel says okay, him son for have experience with big man. Kartel a whole heap of big man there Jamaica. A whole heap of big man around the world. Yeah?
You have some people still we are not talk about what we are doing in Naya family business. Naya family business they in our media. So anything we drop out in our media it become our business. You understand? I'm just a watch a live a while ago. And Naya mother they in the box a breakdown. Naya mother in the box a ball. Me I tell you, Naya mother say right now, Naya fi bury and Naya father I put up a foot. I don't want CPR and Naya mother bury Naya. You understand? Why you don't want to let go Naya in the earth? You Naya father, you know say me no rate you already, you know. Me done tell you already, you know, say me no rate you, you know, brother. Cause right now Naya fi go down, you know, brother, and you me here I put up after have your look of idiot family, them a run round and this up the lane.
Mother, tell me all.
You say you don't want CPR bury your son. You are going to bury your son. They said to you, we cannot discuss this until we get the package, and then from there we will see what is what. We can't talk what you are going to know until we choose the package. You understand? And that really hurt me. It hurt me when him said that because me I said to myself, say, oh, me hear them a talk like say yes, my financial imbalance and me not have nothing. And at the end of the day when me I go use some most likely them a think say CPR give me money under the quiet. Me not take $1 for a CPR.
We on CPR now have nothing. The family on CPR now have nothing. This is not a Naya father of Naya family versus CPR segment. We just a reason and we hope the family and CPR can work it out and everybody good. We're not creating a war. We're not creating another division. We don't love too much drama and division within people. We are trying to create unity and get to the below all of this nonsense so everybody can move on peacefully and we not have to be with no bag of drama between CPR and the family because at the end of the day we love both CPR and we love the family. You get what I mean?
True.
Drama mix up this.
And yeah, the next thing, if me open one account for my granddaughter,
Just listen to me, you know. So me want account for my granddaughter, I feel like I want to post it. Any TikTok I will feel like them want to add something to our account. If you don't think that is wrong. Me not think that is wrong, brother. Because them DM me and ask me that. So which one them how them can do this thing. You see? So if me do it and me post it up and people feel free to do it off of their own. Because I don't make them a gift. See it and I don't naya them a gift. You see? And the daughter upbringing and well-being. Virgin. You see, me not think say people them should have said pray and pray. No, me not think so. You see, me think it's genuine people them and the people them who are give things out of love. Suppose we can go do whatever they feel like. Yes, because if them don't feel to put them don't have to put. You know,
Daddy, can I ask Daddy Oxygen a question regarding the account?
Go on.
Okay. Question that the audience may be thinking but not asking. Can you explain to the audience and even those who are on the For You page what type of account you opened up?
All right. When we go inside the place, right? Let me tell you, the little girl, right? She cannot sign because she's not 8 years of age. She have to be like 7 to 8 years before she can sign her signature to that. So that is the first part of it. Second part of it, because me is an account holder, right? Is an account holder. So my granddaughter have to be something like a sub. So it's coming like if you're a contractor and you can sub out a work and give a Monday. Alright. But that account which will be a sub, she have her own account number with her own name. My account now, me have my own account with my own name. So if you're going to send that money to my granddaughter, you have to put my granddaughter account number. Every part of it you have to put, so you just go direct to fear account. Because so it go. See? So I have nothing to do with the account.
Daddy Oxygen, can anyone take money out of that account?
They can't take dollar.
Suppose it's an emergency. Can they take any money out of the account?
No, somebody did ask me that already, and my reply was because me do this on this side where I is, right? Me have to do it in a way how me can open it, right? But say for example, an emergency thing come and we don't reach Jamaica yet. Alright, let me say this first. Me plans are when me leave here, because this is what me message when me even said to CPR too. When we leave here and come down, we can just go to the bank, foot to foot, and we open another account. So when we open my next account, me and him say we can put like certain amount of money here so where she can touch. And this part now, them can have that other thing where them can go in and spend like, them take a 10 grand or a 20 grand and spend that on a 2-week basis or whatever. But we have put a limit on the drawing out. That's what me and the youth reason about me, I tell you now. We have put a limit on it. So if you take 20,000 this week, you can't take no more again this week or next week until the following week. So if you take it and go a party and go drink rum with it, you're there for your own. See? So some man him plan it. So when we come to Jamaica, we don't do that. Yeah. See? Right now if CPR call me and ask me, say him I go send her money come. The only thing me can tell him if he must send it to the baby account, he can send it. If not, we do a manager's check if you don't have no time to go in a place. Do a manager's check in the baby name. So if we know from you do it, you know so you can't touch back that the money there. And when we come to Jamaica, we go deal with it the same way. Or you carry the baby mother, which is my granddaughter, mother, and go in at the bank and we go deal with it and deal with it under the way of me and you. It already talks, we are going to do it. Me and the man talk about that. Me and him talk about that. That's why I say I don't know how me and this man have nothing. Me and him have nothing. I just the thing and the people them just a wedge something in between me and this man. I have nothing at all. See it? Yes, so me and him talk all of them things, the brethren. So if you know Yardy or anybody who on the panel feel like they want to send a money just for prove, wanna do it. I say for my name it a going on. Wanna do it. I baby name wanna have to get. I baby account number and a desk I got. You know going on my own. You see me? So me can tell you that.
Yeah.
So you see me clear the ear and make it straight. This is what I say. I'm a granddaughter and Naya dead. So I know I have to play our father figure role. Only thing now, me now go do the figure up and them way there. Them ask me if the baby can go and go look for CPR. Them ask me if CPR can go look for the baby. Me tell them say that I don't know my problem. I'm mother supposed to know that's alright. CPR come look for you then. Like how
that's not your problem. The baby live with the mother, so people
alright then.
mother.
See, so you see justice when me a split right through me and me I tell you, and this me just said the other night. Me not have no problem with that.
More, you and him work it out, brother, man. Because this thing with the whole family go back and forth. It's not, you know what I mean? More to work it out, trust me. More you and CPR work it out, more you and the family work it out. You know, so the thing can't move the right way.
Me supposed to when me come to Jamaica, me see CPR, and me can go check him. Me and him can go drink a beer. Me and him can go do this, because me and him have nothing. And me no want him think say, Jano, oxygen come and me even want him see me and I hide. Or see CPR there come and me and hide. No, we don't want that.
Then I will come to you now.
We don't want that. We want the whole of we to just have the band there. The whole of we to just have the band there. That me want. You see it? That me want. Nothing else and nothing different, brethren. And if you're willing to company chat or company live, me and him together, make we show people say, yo, please, me and the man you live in. See it there? Family, we don't allow the man can see them, me and him live. Look. And him tell people them the same thing, see there. And we talk, say, when me beg you, I want you to answer me beg you, probably is a split. Me don't even remember if me beg you that. Me will show you. Saying, I want him to tell them, say me beg that man. Me say to him, say, yo, give me some of Naya, his song where you have for Naya, because I know he produce a one song or a two song for me. Say, give me, so me can make a compilation. Me not talk a compilation if you put up on nowhere. On Spotify or them thing, then if you play, if you make a CD, if you can play all in my vehicle when I drive. And he never tell me no, but all I know he not send it.
Me nah go back in the 2024, me say, got that tactic, never pine road, I say, when you see the lad who left him alone.
He sang them when me produce when I send them go give him. Me send them go give him and me I watch him live and no, me never hear him play one. You hear that? Never hear him play one and me send them go give him. So, look on that. Is it?
Okay, so can I speak? I have something more to say.
Go on.
All right, so everybody sit on here and them talk about CPR not showing a shade. Literally every live when we go on with CPR from him push out the narrative.
Guys, listen, CPR there in the comments. Him say him Suja in the live. Him there in the comments.
Okay, that's fine, but every live from where CPR join and do with people when people attack, CPR would say him look a slick comments, especially all when the father did up on the live with him say him look a slick comments and make people believe say, oh, this is the narrative where people where him family them want push or whatever the case may be, or because of money. From day one the family asked for transparency, them never getting a transparency on the media, because him push this narrative on the media like say them want the money. They don't care about no money. That's one. Two, the transparency where them asked for from day one, it still has not been shown to anybody, even for his fans and whoever, whatever you want to call them, his followers, his chat, whatever the case, all know nothing no sure. You understand? Me as an outsider looking, at the end of the day, you can't sit. You even if you search through the even if you search through the media, you can still get liquor shade immature. And it's not fair to the family, especially when all they care about is securing something for that child that they can do on their own. On top of that, they're saying, hey, just show us what you're doing. We don't care about whatever. We don't care about the money. Just show what y'all do. You claim say y'all do something for my son and for my granddaughter. Show me that now. Let me see it. I know nobody can see nothing. Me as an outsider, because I'm not gonna lie. At first, me did a root for CPR because I'm like, yo, somebody's doing for this little youth. Great, that's wonderful. But at the end of the day, the narrative where it's like, oh, everybody bash the family, it don't necessary. Honestly, it don't necessary. And people don't even give them the chance to express how them feel. When them ask them questions, them already come with them one-sided mind, and that is it. Them don't even give them no little chance. And I feel them, whether auntie, uncle, it's their nephew, their child, their whatever it is, them don't give them no chance. It's like them don't want the people them greet. And that is not okay.
Yadi, can I say something to Nubian? In fairness to CPR, as a person who also runs a foundation, sometimes we get caught up in the emotion of things, and we have to remember, say, it's up to him to come and say something in regards to that. Before this whole thing, I will be the first to tell you, CPR came on this platform. Can you guys hear me? Hold on a second, ma'am. CPR came on this platform originally, and he found a way to get his charity out there. This particular thing, as I said to him, I lose on him. But in hearts of hearts, it's not that he did it intentionally. He did just like Naya father said. He did what he needed to sell the media. But that doesn't mean that is the truth.
Girl, you know, she used to walk past every day, you know. So all of the man them pan the corner used to say, yo, watch I eat that girl, you sitting here, you know. So me I say, bet you know, no, if you see I eat that girl, brother, I don't know the girl. So she always have on one jumper suit, one white jumper suit every day. I eat she have on. You see, but me see something in her when enough of them never see. So anyway, one day I say, alright, I go say something to her, you know. So I walk go to her and start talk to her and thing. But she never hard to talk to because, you know, I in the street girl. Jovial and them thing there. So she never hard to talk to. Anyway, me and her talk for a little while now till me get feel like her and thing, you know. So one day, you know, me decide say me I go out on the plaza, go check her because she always out on the plaza, you know, with her little brother and sister, them we always walk back her and a peep round corner. You know, so in the plaza now, them did have one post in the plaza, the post Ben. You know, so that night, you know, me and her hold up on the post lean up for a length of time. You know, so you know, Pitney see already, them start walk and tell people about how me bend the post out the plaza. So anyway, you know, one other night now, me and my brethren now, say me and him walk out there go check her. When we go so bam now, we walk out there and see her now. You know, me there they talk with her a little bit. Tell, you know, we decide what we are decide. But me never have nowhere to go. Me never have nowhere to bring her. So me bring her and I want to shop back. When me go in the shop back now, the shop back, me see a big barbed wire around there. You know, and you have one wall beside the shop. So me and her around there still, and we are there and we are doing thing and we are doing thing, you know. Tell me you one voice, I come from up in the ear. Me here, and my time now. Me see you say I gotta talk to me from up in the ear. When time I go so and look. Now the same virgin that me say put one eye foot on the shop and one eye foot on the wall and climb come around like an Nancy. I talk about my time now. So me say, my girl, watch out now, come move from your side now because I don't like the vibes you know. Anyway, when we go so bam now and we are walk and come out now. Now him that start hold on pan her. I'm here, she say, make him let me go now. So me say, my you tease off now man. We are hold on pan her, so you know, she say you feel let her go. So him start talk about who? You are going like say, yo, your wife up some little idiot girl. Me say, my you idiot girl, I'm a girlfriend. Him say, girlfriend. Your wife up some little idiot girl, my youth and Mr. Bertin, watch it from your side, you know, I just give him one right hand, you know, and tell him, say, move, you know, brother, I want him to you. You see, God in my mind, it feels, say, a knocking sting, you know, him never know, say, me and her so deep, you know. You see, and from that, him not deal with me from that. Him not deal with me till long after, before him deal back with me. You see, when him see, say, boy, me and her you know, really into something, into business. So anyway, you know, one day I go some bam, no one go check her around her yard when her parents them gone. You see, so me there, you know, in her yard now and, you know, do what me have to do and thing. You see, tell me say me I go in the bathroom, go well a little fresh off and thing. While me in the bathroom, me used to run, come to me and say, yo, mama come. Me used to get me afraid, you know, because mama is the last woman, you know, she never left her last, you know, man. So me, you know, but I wait, she got put on her clothes, you know. Me just grab up my clothes in my hand, you know, and walk come out naked when me go in the living room. No mama that me see. So me see she looking at my face and then she look down and prick the bosom. And me hear she say, my God. Anyway, you know, me take me little time walk and come out the door and go behind one wall and put on my clothes and thing and take time walk and go away. But he never done this so still because me have one in a hurdle to cross. So me in a one shop one day, you know, me and two of my little brothers in them. When time me look, no her father that me say come with a machete in her hand. He always have a machete still in her, as me say. So me him say, hey boy, come here. So me touch on my little brother, you know, and say, yo, your uncle Ben there call you. And me uncle Ben say, no, you me attack. Me say, me sir. Him say, yes, you see him one. Me say, me start tremble. And catch me afraid, me say, right, that dead, me dead now. So anyway, you know, me take me little time and walk go to him. And me him say, well, you know, I stop fooling with my daughter. Eh? You know, hard, me have to work and take care of them. And from me see you, me know, say, is that a good boy, you know. Eh? And where you want to come do? You want to come influence her and broke her out? Me say, no, sir, me not broke her out, sir. You know, me like her, sir. And him say, hey, go like somebody else. Yeah, me I tell you this, you know. Make sure say you see her and leave her alone. Me say, alright, sir, me I go leave her alone. But that never stop me. Straight round her yard, me gone again as them gone. You know, so it's like them eventually have to just accept me. Because them say, boy, the whole family have to accept me because them say, me not change. You see it, and them done, she say, boy, me love her and she love me, so them have to just accept it. You see it, so anyway, you know, she did fly out and go foreign. You see it, because I remember saying, you know, nothing never did to go on fearing and agree in a grass, she say. And the last time she said me, yes, so she married and things, so me have to just accept that. You see it. So I just one of them things there, but, you know, now and then, me and her get in touch and thing, and, you know, but I just decide there, so me have to just accept that I know see her life.
You better be wise, don't fuck up your vibes. The girl let me read me June English revise.